if I'd have made the start, I'd have tried going on my own. But when I seen them two pass me into turn one, I thought I'll just sit here hanging a little bit, see how the pace is panning out. And I noticed in quite a few areas I thought I was a lot stronger than Lucas and especially John. And a few areas where John was stronger than both the Kramers. So when I pulled John back, I made a move in one of his strong areas by forcing him into a mistake. So I managed to get me enough of a gap to hold him off until I got to my good bit. So yeah.
And you only to point two off then?
Yeah, I'm on the limiter for halfway around the Chris curves. Either that or I have to click fifth and then come back 2 gears. So like, I must be losing 0.2 in that one bit. And there's I'm on the limiter over the mountain into the all bends here for too long and a lot of other places. So I actually on the limiter at the apex of turn 1. Because I have to go back to 4th, the bike's just on the limiter all the way into the corner, so... Yeah,
Change the ratios a bit.
yeah, we'll make the gearing a bit longer and yeah, I'd just like to say thanks to Kramer Motorcycles UK for inviting me along to ride the Kramer, and Smirk and Jerry Davis for my personal sponsors for helping me along the way, making it possible. So thanks a lot, and we'll keep smiling.
See you at the next one.
Yeah, we'll keep smiling, keep trying. So.
Good man, well done.
Thanks a lot.
Sun's come out without me realising.
I know, sensitive eyes, you see, I have to keep the glasses on.
So, having a go at that championship now, and I mean, keep pulling them in like this, it's going to be trouble catching.
I know, we keep getting quite, most rounds we've been getting the most points, but it's just consistency really as well. You know, we've got a race winner every round, but then we've had a lot of second and third, so it's just consistency that's got me the points, gap really. Exactly. So, yeah, it's just the way you want to keep it, really. Yeah, and that's the circuit I've not been to, the only one. Yeah, so it will be interesting, circuit not been to, and then double points, so there'll be a lot on the line there.
It's complicated, but it can get you right.
Yeah.
Complicated,
Yeah.
this weekend, it's a good start, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely a good start, yeah. Thanks very much. Cheers, Billy. Thank you.
Keep my hands on myself. Think I'll dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl isn't me. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Nothing over now, but I feel it still. I can feel it still. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. When I had your feel, I can feel it still. We can fight a war for peace. Give in to that easy living, goodbye to my hopes and dreams. Stop flipping for my enemies. We could wait until the walls come down. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Nothing over now, but I feel it still. I can feel it still. I can feel it still.
Leon Jeacock.
Can keep my hands on myself. Think I'll dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl isn't me. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I'm feeling still.
Win at Anglesey or win here. Can't be bad, can it, mate?
No, I would have liked to have had the first race, but got a jump start, so. But that was hard work, that one. Yeah. Steve, right behind me the whole race, showed me his wheel a couple of times. Knew he was there, so that marker helped out on the last lap. Managed to lunge at him at the hairpin, and then Steve didn't manage to get past him, so it gave me a bit of breathing space. Yeah, I managed to take the win.
It's a tough circuit, isn't it?
Yeah, hard work. Feeling it on the arms after the end of it. Last couple laps, I was happy to see the last lap flag.
There's no rest, is there?
No rest at all, no.
And it's not like a circuit that, you know, is continuous, like where it leads. It's all stop, start,
Yeah.
up, down, and everything else. So you've done really, really well to get that, mate.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah,
Good.
cheers, thank
See
you.
what happens tomorrow, mate.
Leaving with the babysitter, mama called the grave digger. Gone with the falling leaves. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been